Okay, I understand where the leggings.
Smileys.
Mom, you have to do this. What? I want you to stay here, take off your glasses, like that, and then look at the camera, and then go. And then walk where you were, like right here. Walk towards and look at the camera. And then take off your shades. And then not. And then you could go. Ganda.
Cute. Nice pala.
Ang ganda. Kilala ko din. Pero
Nandun siya sa hulmang-hulma.
who is she? Who is she? Alam mo ba dati
Who is
sa San
she?
Francisco,
Who is she?
naka-fur coat siya.
In Union Square, remember?
Yeah. And then,
It's so embarrassing.
You were wearing a coat?
I was wearing mink.
yeah.
Wala lang.
May nag-activist.
Chill, chill. And then there were activists, yung animal cruelty. Oh my God.
Hinabol siya,
Hinabol
tapos
ako.
inano siya, binatuhan siya ng yung flour.
Yeah. They threw flour at me.
And then, so lahat, Neiman Marcos yung coat or something. Lahat kami bilhan din niya kami ng mga mink coat. Bata pa kami.
Terno kayo.
So the next day, sinoli niya lahat ng mga mink. Tama? Sinoli niya yung mga mink coat.
Yeah. I said, no, this cannot be.
My mom though, shoppingera siya. Tapos we grew up in San Francisco. May Barrio Fiesta doon. So, ako yung taga-kanta.
We opened
In San Francisco.
in San Jose area, Milpitas.
And
And they were singing.
Diba there's another one? San Jose.
Westboro
Westboro.
on El Camino.
Tapos,
Avec Revolut, t'as des intérêts.
bata pa lang
chaque
ako.
jour.
Wala naman. Bata pa lang ako. Kumakanta na. Alam mo naman maganda yung...
Camille would stand on the soft drink, the crates of the
Camille
soft drink.
talaga yung sa
Siya yung cashier. She would train the cashier.
Marunong talaga ba sa finances?
Yeah, she's
She
really
knows.
good. So anyway, sa Great Wall of China, meron din akong moment doon na nakasuot ako ng Tiffany siya na bow. Basta it was an old collection, it was super heavy gold. And we were on the Great Wall, we were shooting for Mano po. My mom was still my momager. And we were, it was so cold na pagtanggal ko ng glove ko, lumipad yung lintik na...
Goodbye.
Ang ganda pa naman yun
Na-let
that was a good one. That was a good ring. It was the big version of the bow. I don't forget. I think I was how old then? Na goodbye.
So she said goodbye.
But there was a worse situation.
Oh, mine?
Yes, the abomination of the desolation movement. Do you remember?
Do you
Don't
remember?
remind me.
Tell them my kwento.
Which part in the...
Star Awards. 6 carat.
Oh.
Yun!
I don't want to think about that.
My very first Star Awards, I won
Best.
best newcomer whatever. Tapos pinasuot mo sa akin yung 6 carat mo. Tapos ikaw magkwento daw. Pagpasok ko ng kotse, yung mga fans, so yung hair ko mahaba. Tapos pagpasok ko sa loob ng car, sabi ko, Mom!
Wala na. Gone.
Gone. Tapos sabi ko, Mom, I lost one earring. Nandun siya sa
Patayin eh.
Nandun siya, nag-yosi siya sa may front ng seat. Sabi niya, you're kidding. Gulat siya. Sabi ko, I'm not kidding. Tapos, it's okay, I don't want to talk about it.
Those were the sad days.
Yeah.
And your TF wasn't even enough. Oh my God.
I don't know kung sino nakapulot ng pero every
Sabi
time,
ko, somebody must have really
needed it. So, it had to happen. Kahit sa Great Wall of China, diba may mga matatanda doon. Yun lang yung sinabi mo,
You helped
diba?
the soul. Yeah.
So, okay na yun. Sometimes when you lose something, it helps others.
It went to good use. Ganun na lang. To make me feel better.
So, akin na lang yung
Yun
hikaw
ang
mo
isipin.
ngayon.
Ay! Change the subject. Ayoko. Sobra na.
But you've never been to Paris. Well, here's the Eiffel Tower. I used to have memories here with weird people.